Good morning. Last video of this series. It's been a slow week. Hopefully you've learned some things and you can kind of take the strategy and execute it. As I said before, you don't have to start with the 2,000 we started with. You can start with $100 and just use that 1 cent lot. But basically, I wanted to get this video started early because I do realize I haven't showed you guys how to set up moving averages. I haven't showed you guys how to set up or where the fib exactly is, the Fibonacci measurement we've been using. So I'll do that this video. First, let's just recap the week. So these are just pictures of each day from my mobile phone. Top row is Monday through Wednesday, left to right. And then the bottom row is yesterday, which was Thursday. It's been a pretty slow week. We've made some mistakes. It seems like that last trade has caught us every time. Even yesterday, we were down like 230, 240 when the video ended. I did end up closing that trade in profit, only $3.40. So our entry was for 24,337. We can go to the chart and look at where we ended. This is yesterday around 10 o'clock. Let's zoom in real quick. So this is yesterday, 24,337 was a little above the high of day. We were trying to sell the high of day, and we ended up getting caught in this run up to this gold bar. So we just held it. We had scaled into it. We got our price to about the 50. We had set an alert at this level. When my alert went off, I jumped out the trade, but as you can see, we just kept falling yesterday, and we could have made a few $100s off that trade if I would have held it. So I know everyone can't trade from 9:30 to 10 o'clock, but you can definitely mark this chart up the first 15 minutes and still use those gold lines as levels to trade off of. And the goal for this group will probably be trying to identify longer term trades using some options and some stocks. But obviously, I want you guys to be involved and give opinions on different things within the group. So just try to stay active on the website. Use your account. Message me, contact me if you want to. Check out the blogs, check out the videos, and just stay active. Stay as active as possible for me, please. So no real news before the bell. We do have some news at 10 o'clock. Today is Friday. We'll be done by 10 o'clock today for sure. It's Friday. We're going to just do quick trades at our levels. We're going to try to hold on to our profits. So up 10% on the week, not a bad week. If you were using a $10,000 account and you made 10%, that's your $1,000 for the week. And that's not bad at all. So it's all about risk management. It's all about sizing. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how to set up these moving averages. It may take me a minute on MetaTrader because I haven't done it in so long, but we'll start off with Thinkorswim. So to get your moving averages, you're just going to studies and then add study, and it should be under moving averages. So study, add study, and then all studies, M. And this is just a simple moving average, not an exponential moving average. So it's probably under the S for simple moving average. Let's see if we can find it. Yep, right here, simple moving average. Click on that. It will add a generic blue moving average. You can right click that moving average and go to edit study. And the length, like I said, we're using a 55 day. So we put in 55. You make, the color however you want it, the width however you want it. Change the color if you want to red. Make the line wider if you want. Make it a dash line like I did my 55 day here. The gray one is my 55 moving average. You can make the line dashed and just hit apply, and then those changes will be made. So you do that 3 different times for the moving averages. You'll do a 55 period moving average, you'll do a 100 period moving average, and you'll do a 200 period moving average. That's all you do. Just change that length and customize that line how you want. All right, so that's the moving average. So I'll remove that. Wrong one, of course. That's fine. We'll edit this one right now. So right click, edit, 55. We want it to be that gray. Don't need it to be that wide. All right, so there it is. That's our 55. And then for the fibs will be under drawings. It's this percentage sign. We do have, it will have default levels for you. Just right click that, edit properties. And then I think the 61% will be activated. 23 will be activated. Just check mark those and take those off, because we're only using the 0, the 0.5, and the 1. That's all we're using. And you can customize those colors how you want, customize those lines how you want as well. So that's that for the fibs. And that's pretty much it. I do have my settings on the futures. I have my after hours on. So it's showing me after hour trading, of course, because the futures are 24 hours. So you want to see what's going on after hours. And that's pretty much it. It's free as far as cost goes. Thinkorswim is free. MetaTrader is free. To set up your moving averages on MetaTrader, I'm pretty sure you just right click and then you go to let's see, I haven't done this in a while. Should be under indicators. Insert indicator, and then just look for simple moving average. See if I can find it real quick. Should be under simple moving average, or just moving average here. So you click that, and then you'll add your period, customize it how you want, add it to your charts. So you do that 3 times as well. All right, we open up in about 10 minutes. So let's make sure we're ready to trade. Zoom in a little on both charts. Bring up MetaTrader. Get our lot size together. So it's Friday. Fridays are slow. We're going to do quick scalps. Get in and out quickly. Same strategy. Wait our 2 minutes. Trade that previous candle on the break. See, the spread is a little wide right now. $20. See if we get a pullback after this nice run. Pull back down to our goal line, where our moving averages are. There's the bell. Decent size pullback. Just be patient. Almost everything is red except for Boeing, and that's headed towards being red as well. I like this wick. I like to sell that wick, but I'm going to wait my 2 minutes. Well, let's see what this next candle does. Testing the high of that previous candle. False break. Pulling back again. Looks like they want to take some of this wick back. Base our trade off of what happens on this next candle. If it breaks this candle's high or this candle's low, we'll take that trade. Wait for our pullback and take that trade. All right, here we go. So it broke the high. So we should be looking to buy. See if it pulls back a little more for us. So I'll buy that break there. Buy that break. See what happens with it. Should have waited for a pullback. Nice break. See if we can get some follow through on this trade here. A little follow through and we'll close it. Quick trades today. New candle in 15 seconds. We'll wait for our new candle. 5 seconds. We'll close that and we'll reset for the next one. Broke that high. Wait for a pullback. We'll reduce our risk 10 cents. Nice pullback there. So I'll buy this here. See if we can get a nice pop off of this candle. A little bit more than that, I hope. Let's see. Still time on this candle here. Ten seconds left. Broke that previous candle. I'll close there. Reset, reduce risk, 5 cents. New 5 minute coming up, so I won't trade this candle here. I'll wait for that new 5 minute before I put in another trade. Look at this candle here. Tap the 200. Should pull back off of it, but we'll wait and see. Spread not as tight as it's been the previous 2 days. All right, new candle. Broke that low. Wait for a pullback. All right, I'll sell this for a quick second. Close that. Reset again. I should have held on to that sell. Look at that. We'll wait for a pullback and sell some more. All right, so I'll sell that. Quick second. Good range right now too. See what this next candle does. Hopefully they push it down a little further on this next candle. Didn't quite break through our level. The wick broke through, but the body of that candle didn't. So we should see a little more selling before anything else. We're already down 380. So let's see. F9. We could add to this trade, sell a little bit more, but it's Friday, so I'm just gonna be patient. New candle here. I'll take that. I'll close that trade there. You can see I have no profit goals. I have no stop loss, no take profits. Just trading what's going on right now. You know, if I wanted to trade longer term, I'd use higher time frames. I wouldn't be using a minute chart to trade long term or a 5 minute chart. I'll be using, you know, an hourly or a 4 hour. So we're just trading what's going on right now. We're not looking into the past. We're just trading the future. New candle here. I would like a tap of this 200 and buy off that. If it taps that 200, like I said, I'll buy that off that gold line. So just wait and see. No need to rush into a trade. We're over 10% on this account for the week. Everything's still red. Facebook went green barely. I think I'll stay on until 9:45. Mark the chart up at 9:45, and then just end this video. Wait for a new candle to start. All right, I'll buy this for a quick second. So price officially broke the right line there. That was the official break. Still have 30 seconds left on this candle. Should see some exhaustion off all this selling. New candle in 5 seconds. Still above our goal line. You can see all of these orders here. This is our support. All these orders are our support. If we break through this, that wouldn't be good. But right now it seems to be holding. I'm going to add 5 cents in a second. Add 5 cents on a new candle. Get our price down to that moving average. All right, so I add 5 cents now. Price got down to the moving average. Let's see if they pop off of this. Broke right back through. Let's see if we can tap the 55. That's a nice run. I'll take profit there. Over $50 on the day in 11 minutes. So now we'll just watch till 9:45 and we'll mark the chart up at 9:45 and then we'll end the video. Rejected the 55. Nice pullback off of that average. So one official loss for the week. One official loss. I don't really know how many trades I've made. Let me count them up on my phone real quick. You can open and close trades on your phone as well. MetaTrader 5 app. So 21 wins, 1 loss. 95%. Would have been a nice sell off of that 55. One more minute and then we'll mark the chart. Looks like it's going to break the low of the day, so no point in marking it right now. Nice pop off that new candle. You can see why we trade new candles. Already down almost 2% though, so you really don't want to be selling down here. You know, during the US session, there's people propping this thing up. So you don't want to be caught selling. At least not before the euro close. Euros close at around 11:30, 12 o'clock, and then we'll see some selling. But right now, I wouldn't want to be selling. All right, so let's mark the chart up using our fibs. Take that low of this candle and that high of the first candle, 50% right here. Create alert somewhere around here. Buy it right at this bottom. And that would be my the trade I'd make. The best available trade that I'd see right now is buying this white line to the gold line. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for making it to the last video. As I said, I hope you guys learned something. Thanks once again.